Right, okay. Today, let's focus about the properties. So so basically we know what is a file, what is a folder now because, so files, what is the specialty of files? Files are having some special thing. What is that? So files are having,
Extension.
yes, files are having extensions. Extension will define the file type. So can you tell me, okay, let's say example.txt, you know that. So example is the file name and txt is the extension. So, okay, can you tell me few extensions that you already know? Any other extension? Yes?
Docs.
DOCS, yes. Any other extension?
PPTX.
PPTX, what is PPTX?
I can't see your
PowerPoint.
screen.
Sorry?
Sir, I can't see your screen.
Others, can you see my screen or still not?
Can see.
Sir, we can see.
Can see, no? Right. Yes, Sally, can you log in again and try?
Excuse me, sir. Can you reset my Edmundo password?
Yeah, sure. So you had just sent me a request, WhatsApp request, then I'll do that, right? Okay, so please tell me the other extensions that you know.
JPG.
JPG for
For photos and
photos. JPG means joint photography expert group. Joint photography expert group. Joint photography expert group. So that is anyway photo file. Anything else?
XLSX.
Sorry?
XLSX.
XLSS, that is Excel. And DOCX, that is
Word docs.
And PPTX is
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. PPTX is PowerPoint. Anything else?
Sir, JNT.
J?
JNT. Journal.
JNT, journal files. But those, so tell me some common files. HTML. HTML stand for hypertext markup language.
The PDF.
PDF, portable document format. Portable document format. Okay, please write down this.
Sir, PUB.
Please write down, right? PDF, portable document format. Portable document format. Anything else? What is MP4? What is MP3? MP4?
Music.
Sorry?
Music and songs.
Musics and songs. Okay. So some are telling that you cannot see the screen. I'm rejoining.
Sir, we cannot see your.
Okay. So let me rejoin. And let me rejoin.